Here we are on cockpit. As traditionally we hear cockpit from the context of pilot controlling an aircraft. In similar analogy, we are referring this section as cockpit for C-Zentrix. In cockpit, we can see two sections, channel status and system status. Right now we are on the channel status. We can see many channels with different states showing green, red, etc. Let's understand what they are. Channels in green indicates they are in free state. In channels in blue shows few calls are on IVR currently. If it shows in pink, it indicates they are on ACD, automatic call distribution, calls which haven't reached to the agent. Yellow color shows an active call through that respective channel. Whenever the call is active, if we place our cursor over the channel, it shows to which customer the agent is talking to. If any call exceeds the warning time as set in the campaign, those channels starts to show in red color. Similarly, if channels are indicated in orange color shows bad health, maybe the PRA line is down in case of a domestic calling or some bandwidth related issue if it is an international scenario. Fundamentally, this section helps to get a quick glimpse of channel health and how many active calls are happening at the moment. Well, little down we can see system summary, which also gives the real-time status of the campaigns for both inbound and outbound. Green color again is the campaign name, shows that the campaign is active. Little right we can see the type of campaign. Zap means the PRA line, and SIP means that respective campaign is using SIP channels for making outbound calls. Next is start time, calling duration, logged in agents. We can see the active lists and inactive lists of their respective campaign. Deactivate reason. Here we can see whether the campaign is going to be deactivated automatically as per campaign properties or manually done. We find similar information for inbound and blended campaigns as well. Further down we can see ZAP status, which means PRA card status. As we know, PRA card comes in different combinations like 1 port, 2 port, 4 port, or 8 port. We can see all the port status here. If it is OK, means PRA line is synced. Otherwise, if it is red, the PRA line is not syncing or PRA port is not configured properly. Next section in cockpit is system status. On your left hand side, we can see hard disk usage, how much is being used and how much is still available for recordings. Here we can see only 3% is being used and remaining is free. To your right hand side, we can see all the partitions of hard disks like SDA1, SDB1 and SDA3 and how much of those drives are full. Here 15% of SDA3 is full currently. Next is system uptime details. Here we can see details like system uptime, system time, telephony uptime and telephony last reload. Whenever any changes happens in system related to agents, campaigns or telephony, the telephony reload happens. Here the last telephony reload happened before 1 hour 39 minutes. Patch files. Patch files are the software releases by C-Zentrix post installation. Here we can see many software files uploaded onto the system. Next is C-Zentrix status, which gives access to soft switch, dialer and CDR. Whenever we want to restart any of them, we can do it from here. To the bottom, we can see the performance of different aspects in C-Zentrix server like CPU status, task status, memory status and swap memory. This tells how much RAM is being used and number of tasks being performed, which can help us to assess the performance and health of the server so that we can take appropriate actions on